On this video I'll show you how I made over $4,000 in 48 hours just flipping this NFT. So first of all, what is an NFT? It's a digital asset non-fungible token, and the particular NFT that I flipped is this one here, a legendary wheat stand. This is used in a brilliant game called Townstar. It's a utility token, it's a utility rather NFT that actually does something in a game. So it's not just a piece of artwork. This will actually generate for you within the game of Townstar 72 town coin per day. So this has value. It will earn you something every day as long as you meet the challenge in the game. You can play Townstar, by the way, just register for free with GoGala, gogala.co.uk. You can register there and you can start playing Townstar. But let's show you the details. What was so special about this legendary wheat stand that made me buy it a couple of days ago and then sell it overnight? And let's have a quick look first of all at the Gala Games store. We can see the legendary wheat store here was selling previously at 28,847 Gala. So if we look at that in dollar terms, 28,847 Gala is currently 18,400 US dollars. Now at the time when I bought this a couple of days ago, if we just go back through the history here, you can see where I purchased. So here it is. 2 days ago I purchased this for 2.2 Ethereum. So I bought this from this person, it went to me, and then just overnight now, 4 hours ago, I sold that from me to this person just 4 hours ago for 3.189 Ethereum. So 3.189 Ethereum at the moment is $13,989. So that's still a bargain for the person who bought it. But again, compare that to the price that I paid for it, which is 2.2 Ethereum. And 2.2 Ethereum is $9,649. And there you go, just over $4,000 worth of profit in just 48 hours. So that's how you flip it. What made me pick this particular item, this legendary wheat stand? Well, because it's cheaper still at that price than it was available in the Gala store. I knew it had demand. The Townstar game itself is increasing in popularity rapidly, and so this was a really good bargain here to buy on Opensea, relist it, and it sold, like I said, within 48 hours for a clear $4,000 profit. And that's how you do it. If you'd like more tips on flipping or general how to make money online with crypto and good investing but affordable, then do subscribe to my channel. More videos coming soon. I'll see you on the next one.